So good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? How are you all?
I'm
I
fine,
am
thank you,
fine,
ma'am.
thank you.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, thank you, my dear children. Fine, thank you. So today we are going to start with a new topic, right? Today's session, we are going to learn something new. Yesterday, I had taught you what is diary, how to make a diary entry, and what is the format of diary entry. Do you remember that? Do you remember? Yes, very good. So today, now what are we going to learn? We are going to learn a new topic. Come on, look at the board. I'm going to write the word on the board. I want someone to read. Okay. Okay. What have I written on the board? What have I written on the board? Who is going to read out? Yes, Sivada, my dear, please unmute your device and look at the screen and just read. Sivada, can you hear me? Yes.
Synonym.
Synonyms. What are we going to learn today? We are going to learn the meaning of the word synonym. What are synonyms? Very good, my dear Sivada. Do you know what is a synonym? Have you heard the word synonym? Synonym means what? What is the meaning of synonym? Now look at the board. Amaya, my dear, please unmute your device, Amaya, and just read out. Before you read out, I'll just read out. Just listen. What is a synonym? A synonym is a word or a group of words that has the same meaning or a similar meaning as another word. What is the meaning? In short, what is the meaning of a synonym? Synonym means a word that has the same meaning, right? What is the meaning of a synonym? A synonym is a word that has the same meaning. Okay. So now look at the board. Look at the board here. R-I-G-H-T, right. Now, what is the meaning of this right? Can you give me any other word which means the same? Now, as I told you, what is a synonym? Synonym is a word. Synonym is a word or a group of words that has got the same meaning, right? A synonym is a word or a group of words that has got the same meaning. Such group of words, what do we call? We call it as a synonym. Now, R-I-G-H-T, right. Do you know any other word which has got the same meaning? Yes, Advait is ready with the answer. Yes, Advait?
Wrote.
Oh, that right, I'm not talking. That is W-R-I-T-E, right. And you are giving me the past tense. I'm asking R-I-G-H-T, right. Now, when your answer is, when you have written the correct answer, teacher puts a right. So what is that another word which can be used in the place of right? Is there anyone? Did you get an idea now? When your answer is right, when you give the right answer to the teacher, teacher says, yes, my dear. Right. So what is another word which can be used in the place of right? Yes, Nivya is ready with the answer. Yes, Nivya.
Wrong.
No, I'm not asking the opposite. See, try to understand the topic which I'm teaching. What is a synonym? Synonym is a word which has got the same meaning. Okay. Now I just want you to give me the answer for the question which I am asking. Is anyone who... Yes, yes, Yamurayan. Did you get the answer, my dear Yamurayan?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Correct. Well done. Now look at the board. Look at the board.
Thank you, ma'am.
The another word which means the same as right is correct. Now, did you understand what is the meaning of a synonym? A synonym is a word that has got the same meaning. Now, right and correct, they have got the same meaning. Did you understand? Did you understand what is the meaning of a synonym? What is a synonym? A synonym is a word that has got the same meaning. So let me write another word for you. Very easy word for you. Now look at this word. T-I-N-Y. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. T-I-N-Y, tiny, tiny. Now, what is the other word which means the same? Now, before that, okay, so many are ready with the answer. Yes, my dear Rayan Manu, please give me the answer. Yes, Rayan.
Small.
Small, well done, small. What is the right answer? Small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Okay, did you get the meaning of the synonym now? What is the meaning of a synonym? A synonym is a word or group of words that has got the same meaning. Okay, now let me try with another word, that is silent. Silent, S-I-L-E-N-T. Silent means what? Absence of sound. So what is another word? What is the other word which can be used in the place of silent? Which has the same meaning? Yes, Akshay? Akshay?
Quiet.
Quiet. Very good. Very good. Well done. What is the other word? It is quiet. Silent, quiet has got the same meaning. Tiny, small, same meaning. Right, correct, same meaning. Then let me ask you one more word. Like yummy, Y-U-M-M-Y. When you eat this pizza, burger, what do you say? Oh, it's very yummy. It has got a yummy dash. So what is that word which can be used in the place of yummy? Yadav. Yes, Yadav.
Tasty.
Tasty, yummy, tasty. Have you not heard? Very good. So what is the word which can be used in place of yummy is tasty. Right? Now, did you get an idea of synonym? What is a synonym? Synonym is a word or a group of words that has got same meaning. Now, so okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, excellent performance. Then comes beautiful. So instead of beautiful, which is the other word which can be used in place of beautiful, which has got same meaning? Just think, she is wearing a beautiful dress. What is the other word which can be used in place of beautiful? Yes, Vrinda is ready. Where is Vrinda? Okay, let me give this chance to Savika. Yes, Savika, my dear. Please give me the answer, Savika.
Super.
Not exactly. Not exactly. An apt word. Just think of an apt word which can be used in place of beautiful. She is wearing a beautiful dress today. Yes, Vrinda?
Nice.
Nice. Somewhere very close, but I just want the exact word which starts with the letter P. I gave you a clue now. Yes, Safania? P.
Pretty.
Repeat.
Pretty.
Pretty. Very good. Excellent, my dear Safania. So what is that word which can be used instead of beautiful is pretty. She is wearing a pretty dress. Okay. Aged. Aged. What is that other word which can be used in the place of aged? Aged. It's very easy. The answer is extremely easy. Okay. Siddesh can answer me. Okay, Siddesh. What is another word which can be used in the place of aged?
Old.
Old. Well done. What is that word which can be used? It is old. O-L-D, old. How smart my 3D children are, right? Very smart. Very good. Now let me write another word. U-N-H-A-P-P-Y. Unhappy. Give me a word which means the same. Prithwin. Yes, Prithwin.
Happy.
No, I'm not asking you the antonym. I'm not asking you the opposite. I'm asking you to give me the word, the other word, which means the same, like unhappy. What is that word which can be used in place of unhappy, which means the same? Yes, Devananda? Devananda?
Upset.
Is it upset? Okay, but not exactly. Not exactly. You have to give me a word which means the same. Okay, let me give a chance to MU Ryan. Yes, MU Ryan.
Sad.
Sad. Very good. So what is that word which can be used in the place of unhappy? That is sad. Okay. Now, what about this word? Shut. S-H-U-T, shut. Shutting means what? With a lot of force when we push the door or something, right? So what is that the word, other word which can be used in the place of shut? Nivea. Yes, Nivea.
Close.
Close. Excellent. What is the word which can be used? That is, which can be used in the place of shut is close. Okay. So superb, superb. Okay. So did you get the meaning of a synonym? What is the meaning of a synonym? A synonym is a word that has got the same meaning. For example, unhappy. What is another word which can be used in the place of unhappy? It is sad. What is the other word which can be used in the place of yummy? Tasty. Which is the other word which can be used in the place of aged? Old. Right. So did you get the meaning of a synonym? What is a synonym? Synonym means words having same meaning. That is very important. Okay. What is the meaning of a synonym? Synonym means the words which are having the same meaning. Okay. Who is going to repeat? Who is going to give me the answer? What is a synonym? Just now I repeated. Who is going to give me the answer? What is the meaning of a synonym? What is a synonym? Yes, Rayan Manu. Yes, Rayan.
A synonym is a word, a group of words that has the same meaning.
Enough. That has the same meaning. Okay. Or similar meaning. Very good. Very good. I want you to talk in your own words. Is there anyone who would like to add something to this? Who would like to give me the answer in your own words rather reading from the textbook? What is a synonym? Synonym is a word that has got the same meaning. Synonym is a word that has the same meaning. Come on. Whatever I am repeating, I just want you to repeat it. Yes, Stephania? Give a try, Stephania.
Synonym is a word that has the same meaning.
That has the same meaning. Very good, Stephania. Excellent, excellent. So did you understand? If you have understood, just show me a thumbs up. Let me see. Let me see. Have you understood? Very good. So shall we start? Shall we start with the exercise then? So my dear children, please take the page number 13. 1, 3. Okay, please take the page number 13. We are going to start with module 8. Module 8, page 13. 1, 3. Okay. So there it is given. Synonyms. So look at the board again. Just look at the board again. I'm going to just share the screen and explain to you once more. What is a synonym? A synonym is a word or a group of words that has the same meaning or a similar meaning as another word. Okay, what is a synonym? A synonym is a word or a group of words that has the same meaning or a similar meaning as another word. Okay, so do you have any doubts? Is there any doubt? No. Okay. So shall we move on to the exercise? Please take the page number 13 and have a pencil, and we are going to solve the exercise 2.1. Now what should you do? Exercise 2.1. What are you supposed to do? Match the words in column A with their synonyms in column B. One is done for you. Okay, now just a minute. I'm going to write both the column, that is column A and column B. So the first word in column A is brave. And the second one is cheap. Third one is sharp. The fourth one is strange. The fifth one is rough. The sixth one is shy. And then comes a column B. Column B, letter A, what is that? Inexpensive. Inexpensive. Look at the pronunciation. It is inexpensive. Then the next one is uneven, odd, then pointed, E, timid, and the F1 is courageous. Okay, this is already there in your book. So as it is told, the first one is already done for you, right? What is the meaning of brave? What is a synonym that can be used in the place of brave? Yes, Sivada?
Courageous.
Courageous. Very good. Courageous. That is already done for you. Okay, you need not do it again. Now look at the next word. Who is going to give me the second answer? That is cheap. Cheap means what? C-H-E-A-P. Cheap means where it is not needed for us to spend a lot of money, where we get the things for less money. That word is called cheap. Did you understand? Once I go to the market to buy something, I need not spend much money to buy a certain thing. I got my shoes for a cheaper rate. Means what? For a cheap rate means I got it for less money than I expected. So what is the word which can be used? What is that word which can be used in the place of cheap? What is the synonym of cheap? Yes, Angelica, my dear, please give me the answer. What is the synonym of cheap?
Inexpensive.
Very good, Angelica. So what is the word? It is inexpensive. So my dear children, please draw a line. So brave is already given in your textbook, that is courageous. Cheap is inexpensive, which is available for less money. The next word, who is going to read the next word and give me the synonym of the word? Yes, Yadav is ready. Yes, Yadav, read out the third word, my dear. Yes, Yadav, read out the third word which is given in column A.
Sharp.
Sharp. Very good. Sharp. What is the synonym of sharp? Do you know the answer, Yadav?
Pointed.
Pointed. Excellent. Well done, Yadav. Well done. Well done. So what is the meaning of, what is the synonym of sharp? It is pointed. Sharp is pointed. Just draw a line there. Okay. So brave, the synonym of brave, courageous. The synonym of cheap, inexpensive. The synonym of sharp is pointed. What about the fourth one? Fourth one, who is going to give me the fourth answer? Yes, my dear Sivada. Sivada is ready. Yes, Sivada. Sivada? Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
strange.
Strange. Listen carefully. What is the fourth word in column A? It is strange. What is the synonym of strange, Sivada?
Odd.
Odd. O-D-D. Odd. Strange means what? Something which is unfamiliar. So what is the synonym of strange? We can mark it as odd. Okay. Strange is odd. Okay. What about the next word? What about the next word in column A? The fifth word. Yes, Vrinda is ready. Yes, Vrinda.
Rough.
What is the fifth word in column A, Vrinda? Rough.
Rough.
Rough. What is that? How do you read the fifth word in column A? Rough. Rough. What is the synonym of rough, Vrinda?
Uneven.
Uneven. Uneven. How do you read that? Uneven. Okay. Who is going to read out once more for all of us? Who is going to read out once more for all of us? Yes, Amaya. Read out the fifth word, Amaya.
Uneven.
Okay, what is the fifth word in column A? Column A, the fifth word is?
Rough.
Rough. Rough. What is the synonym of rough? Even. Uneven. Uneven. Very good. Very good. Okay, my dear children, please mark it. Come on, match, rough and uneven. And there is one more word only left out in column A, right? There is only one word which is left out in column A. What is it? Shy. Shy. What is the meaning of the word shy? What is the meaning of the word shy? Emurayan, come on, unmute your device. If I ask you to sing a song just now, Emurayan, will you be ready? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes we say no. Why? Because we feel shy. Oh, how am I going to sing in front of others, right? We feel shy. Don't you? Suppose if anybody comes to your house and you are very good at singing, if your mother asks you to sing a song, will you sing a song all of a sudden? No, no. Sometimes you sing, sometimes you feel shy. So what is the synonym of the word shy? Shy means what? Timid. Okay. What is the meaning of the, or what is the synonym of shy? It is timid. Timid. Okay. Okay. I want someone to read out once again the whole match the following. That is column A and column B. Yes, Rayan, Manu, why don't you read? Come on.
Brave.
Yeah.
Courageous.
Yes.
Cheap.
Cheap.
Cheap. Inexpensive.
Yes.
Sharp. Pointed.
Okay.
Strange. Odd.
Okay.
Rough. Uneven.
Okay.
Shy. Timid.
Timid. Very good, Ryan, Manu, and thank you for reading. Okay, thank you for reading, my dear. Okay, my dear children, hope so you have understood what is a synonym, right? Synonym is a word that has got the same meaning. Now take the page number 14, 1-4, just turn the page. That is exercise 2.2. What are we going to do in the exercise 2.2? Replace the underlined words in the following sentences with suitable synonyms. One is done for you. So look at the first example. Kabir shut the door behind him. Now I'm going to write this example on the board. Just see. So this is exercise 2.2, first example. Kabir shut the door behind him. Okay. Which is underlined word in this example? Which is underlined word in this example? Come on, I want someone to read out. Which is the underlined word? Yes, Devananda. Unmute your device, Devananda.
Shut.
Shut. And what is the word which is used instead of shut, my dear Devananda? What is another word synonym of shut? Closed. Very good. It is Kabir closed the door. Closed the door behind him. Okay. Behind him. See? The synonym of shut is closed. Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now look at the next one. The next one. Who is going to read out the next example for all of us? I want someone to read out the next example. Aibal? Aibal, my dear, please read out the second example.
Yes. Meena wears beautiful dresses.
Very good. Meena wears beautiful dresses. Okay, let me write this example on the board. That is second example. Meena wears beautiful. Aibal, which is the underlined word here?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Could you tell me what is the synonym of beautiful, which is another word which can be used in the place of beautiful? Pretty. Very good. Very good. Thank you, my dear Aibal. Thank you. Okay. So, my dear children, start writing. Start writing. Take the pencil and start writing the second example. Meena wears a pretty dress. Meena wears pretty dresses. Okay. Meena wears pretty dresses. Third one. What is the third example? Have you finished writing? If you have finished writing, shall we move on to the third example? I want someone to read the third example. Who is going to read the third example? Yes, Dia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dia, please read out.
We must
behave
behave
ourselves
ourselves and not be
impolite. See, I'll read out once for you. We must behave ourselves and not be impolite. So what is the underlined word there? Which is the underlined word? Impolite. Impolite is the underlined word. So what is another word which can be used in place of impolite? Impolite. Impolite. Any idea? See, we must behave ourselves and not be impolite. So we must behave ourselves and not be, instead of impolite, a word which starts with R, letter R. R. Akshay, did you get the answer? Just give me the word.
impolite.
No. What is the word which can be used? Shall I give the answer? It is rude. R-U-D-E, rude. Okay, my dear children, please write. We must behave ourselves and not be. We must behave ourselves and not be rude. So instead of impolite, I have used another word which means the same, that is rude. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3 we have already finished. So my dear children, 4, 5, 6, that is the example 4, 5, 6. Please mark it as homework. It is very easy. Just try and do the homework on the page number 14. That is 4, 5 and 6. The examples 4, 5 and 6. Please solve it on the page number 14. Okay. Okay. So did you understand, my dear children? Do you have any doubts? Who is going to tell me what is the meaning of a synonym? Come on, let us revise very fast. I just want one of you to speak. One of you to give the meaning of the word synonym. What is a synonym? Yes, Yamurayan?
The group of words that
synonym is a word. Is a word.
Synonym is a word
or
that has same meaning.
Okay, very good. Come on, repeat once more. Repeat once more. What is a synonym?
Synonym is a word that has same meaning.
Very good. Very good. Excellent, my dear Mirayan. Okay. Okay. So hope so you might have understood what is the meaning of a synonym. Synonym is a word that has got the same meaning. So what should you do? You have to revise the page number 13 and 14 and please do the homework that is given today. We will solve it in the next class. Okay. So bye-bye. Thank you. Have a good time. Bye. Take care. Bye.